What's up, YouTube? So today I've decided to record a video, a tutorial on how to take off the background of an image with just one click. Alright, so as you can see, I'm working on a project here, Feed the Widow 2022. Yeah, now I want to use this for the tutorial. So I have a certain image. Where is this guy? Yeah, I think I have this guy here. And then some people have been asking me how I just remove the background of images. So simple. So we have different ways in doing this, and then I want to just show you something real quick, something simple, something that anybody can try. Alright, so first of all, you just come to the layers panel, and then you click on the image right here in the layers panel. Then you right click, and then you rasterize the image. And then you come to the property panel, and then scroll down. You see select subject, view more, and then remove background. Yeah, so you just click on the remove background. So sorry, move background, and then that's it. Let me reduce the size so that you can see that everything is gone and it is real perfect. Let me increase it. Alright, so you can see that everything in this image is gone. Alright, so that's the trick, guys. So simple, and then you can also try it yourself. Okay, alright.